Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you the disease prediction using Python. So it predicts the heart analysis, diabetic analysis, breast cancer analysis and health diagnosis, and last is the about section. You just have to enter the values and then click on the analyze button. Then it will analyze the disease, that particular disease, and they can also search for the doctors and ambulance near me. So user can first enter the age, gender, chest pain level 0 to 3, resting blood pressure in mmHg, cholesterol, fasting blood sugar, resting electrocardiography result, maximum heart rate achieved, exercise induced angina, ST depression induced by exercise relative to rest, the slope of the peak exercise ST segment, number of major vessels colored by fluoroscopy, a blood disorder called thalassemia, uh, 3 normal, 6 fixed defect, and 7 reversible defect. After that, you have to click on the analyze button. Then it will analyze. So this project developed using Python programming language and Tkinter used to develop the graphical user interface. So let's enter the all the values. So the large data set is used to train the machine learning model so that model can predict the answer according to the user values. Okay, after that click on analyze button. So it predict risk of disease are low. This is the prediction. Now click on the diabetes analysis. So user have to enter the age, glucose, insulin, pregnancies, skin thickness, blood pressure, body mass index, and the diabetes pedigree functions. And about the algorithm used, K nearest neighbors, it is a supervised learning algorithm. This means that we train it under supervision. We train it using the label data already available to us. So let's enter all those value. After entering the value, then click on the analyze button. So it analyzes the diabetes. Okay, let's enter the body mass index and diabetes pedigree function. Okay, then click on analyze button. So it predict the high risk of diabetes. It will give the prediction. Okay, let's click on the breast cancer analysis. So user have to enter the radius, area, parameter, texture, and smoothness. About the algorithm, random forest or random decision forest are an ensemble learning method for classification, regression, and other tasks that operate by constructing a multitude of decision tree at training time and outputting the class that is the mode of the classes. Okay, let's enter the smoothness detail and then click on the analyze button. So model analyze the risk of breast cancer are low. Okay, now click on the health diagnosis. User interface will open. So just click on the start button. So please click on yes or no for the above symptoms in questions. So you have to click on the yes or no. Then it will predict the disease and symptoms present. Confidence level. The model suggests consult with doctor. Okay, it will give the suggestions and you can consult with that particular doctor. OpenAI mental health chatbot. User can search for the doctors. So it will give the list with the name and the mobile number, location and timing with the email ID. Now I'm searching the location, Pilani. It will give the doctor details. And if you click on the ambulance near me, it will automatically give the calling number. So I'm just giving the demo details. It will give the message. So this is the complete project. If you find out, then you can comment in the comment section. I will try to reply soon. And thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.